All right, hello guys. Today we're gonna be going over like a very simple CTF problem called Caas from Pico CTF. So let me just open it up, and then we have it right here. Yeah. So today we're gonna go over a CTF problem called Caas. So let's see. Casway as a service. So we let's first set this up. Caas. Tags are Pico Mini by Redpone, and it's a web exploitation problem worth 150 points. And we're giving an index.js and a link presenting where the CTF is going to be held at, or where the challenge is going to be held at. So first we're going to, make a folder called Caas to hold out all of our stuff. And after that, we're just going to go in that folder and then download the file. So after downloading the file, we're going to cat it to see what's inside the content and then go to the endpoint. So first we're going to, test out this endpoint and see how it works. Can I get Causeway? It's not working. Let's try this. Okay, now it works. So I type hello and we see, hello world, and we see the message pop out. So we noticed that. So let's just look back at the source code. So it looks like it's opening child process, and it's and we see the request where it's being sent at. So we see the exec request with the parameter message that's printing out. So now if we look up what exe is in JavaScript, mostly in Node.js, because it looks like it's Node. And then we see the child process, and then we check exe, and it looks like it says right here, let me find it. It spawns a shell and runs a command within that shell, passing the std answer to call back functions when complete. So basically, you could get shell access with this type of stuff. So I guess the first thing I'm gonna try doing is try to find a way to escape out of this. So let's try giving you an example, on my terminal end. So let's try LSing. It'll work. Okay, let's try on the terminal. So basically what's going on is that if, for example, hello is just echo hello world, so that's just going to print it out. So we do that exactly on the terminal, and then we type ls, it's going to print out the next command, hello world and index.js. So what I'm going to do right now is see if I could cat the contents inside index.js in my terminal, and see, look, I could see the content inside my index.js after putting a semicolon after echo hello world. So we're going to do the exact same thing here, but we're going to do it with a fog.txt, which I'm pretty sure is going to hold our flag. So if we're going to do that, then we type cat, I messed up, cat and fog.txt, and then we run the command. We see that we get our flag, which is pretty easy for the most part. And then we've done and submit the challenge. That's about it. Peace.